Hello, SOLP scholars. It's Magister Beck, and Magister Cole and myself would like to just get a little bit of knowledge out there for you guys. It's not really an assignment you guys have to do this week. It's just some knowledge we want you guys to have, some useful knowledge. And it's the Food Guide Pyramid. And every year or so they tweak it a little bit differently because this is totally different than what it was back in the day when I was a kid. But you guys just want to look at the screen and as you watch the video, kind of look obviously at the top of the pyramid, it's what you want to have least during the day, and at the bottom is what you want to have most for during the day. So if you look at the top, it's foods and drinks high in fat, sugar, and salt. It says not every day, so that's something you shouldn't consume on a daily basis, maybe a couple times a week. The next one down that gets a little bit larger is fats, spreads, and oils in very small amounts, it says. So it's not something you really want to overdo on. It's just something you use sparingly. Let's get to the protein section. That's a little bit larger. Meat, poultry, fish, eggs, beans, and nuts. It says you should have 2 servings a day. Next column is milk, yogurt, and cheese. 3 servings a day. And you guys might have to Google if you're kind of curious what a serving is. You might have to Google it or look if you're eating something like bread or cereal. Look on the side of the box or the package or whatever that you're eating, and it'll say what the serving size is. So like macaroni and cheese, 1 box is 3 servings. And depending on the type of cereal, it could be a half a cup or a full cup for 1 serving. So let's get to the next category. Oh, we just talked about milk, yogurt, and cheese for 3 servings. Whole meal cereals and breads, potatoes, pasta, and rice. So the carbohydrate section, you should have 3 to 5 servings of that. And the largest one is vegetable salad and fruit. So your veggies and fruits is the largest of all of them, and you should have 5 to 7 servings at least a day of those. And at the very bottom, it says drink plenty of water, at least 8 cups a day. And then it says get active, and basically telling you most days of the week you should be active. At least 150 minutes a week if you look at it in a grand total. So, like I said, Magister Cole and myself, Magister Beck, this is not really an assignment for you guys. It's just knowledge, useful knowledge we want you guys to have and know because it's something you're going to be dealing with the rest of your life because you eat every day. So it's just something we really want you guys to be aware of. Because if you look on here, if you guys eat like a bag of hot Cheetos and then you go to Dunkin' Donuts or whatever coffee shop and you get that Charlie drink or whatever that is the kids are drinking nowadays, you want to have a whole, like, what am I trying to say? You want to have a little bit of everything during the day. And that's why you look at the pyramid and fruits and veggies, you have a little bit of more, and then you got the carbs and the dairy and the protein and stuff. You just want to have a variety, a little bit of everything. You don't want to just eat all dairy and get no veggies, fruits, and bread or meat. But just get a little variety, get a little bit of everything, kind of, for the most part, go off of what this food guide pyramid says. If you guys want to have a little fun with it, you can record everything you eat in a 24-hour period, write it all down, and then kind of look at the food guide pyramid, and then maybe have your parents help you and kind of see where it goes, and then you can kind of figure out or guesstimate how many servings of fruits and veggies and the meat and the dairy and the bread that you had in the day to kind of see how close you are to what the standards are right here with this food guide pyramid. But I hope you guys have a fantastic short 4-day week before winter break, and I will be seeing you guys soon. Have a great one, scholars.